In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and automate Jira native forms for structured data intake. If you've ever tried collecting requests through scattered emails, messy chat threads, or disconnected form tools, you already know how frustrating that can be. Incomplete details, inconsistent formatting, and endless follow-up messages can slow your team down fast. The good news is that Jira gives you a much cleaner way to handle all of this directly inside its own ecosystem. With Native Form Studio in Jira Work Management and Jira Service Management, you can build interactive forms, standardize incoming information, and send that data straight into your project workflow. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your organization's Atlassian site or sign in through the official Atlassian login portal. Once you're logged in and the main dashboard loads, open the Jira Business Project or Service project where you want to collect submissions. This is important because the form will live inside that specific project and feed data directly into it. Once you're inside the project workspace, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click Forms. That opens the centralized Forms area for the project. From there, go to the top right and select Create Form. This gives you a blank canvas where you can start building your intake experience from scratch. On the Form Builder screen, you'll see different field types available, such as short text, drop-downs, checkboxes, and date pickers. Drag a short text field into the form body, then rename it to asset name or feature title. After that, open the field settings and connect the linked Jira field to summary. That step ensures the submitted value flows directly into the Jira issue summary, instead of sitting disconnected inside the form. Next, add a paragraph text field and name it Technical Requirements or Telemetry Description. Link that field to description and turn on the required option so users can't skip it. This helps enforce better data quality right from the start. You can also add conditional logic by creating a rule so that certain sections only appear when a user selects a specific option, such as showing operating system specs only when bug report is chosen. Now open form settings from the gear icon at the top of the page. Find the issue type setting and decide whether submissions should create a task, bug, or service request. This is what connects the form to your actual Jira workflow, so every submission automatically becomes a trackable issue. If you want a faster route, you can use the built-in AI form builder. Enter a plain English prompt in the AI input area, and Jira can generate a structured form layout for you automatically. Before going live, click Preview and test everything carefully. Confirm that labels are clear, required fields work properly, conditional sections appear as expected, and test submissions create the correct issues in your board. Once everything looks right, click Save and Publish to make the form live across your organization. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.